Just got to St. Paul's. We're about to go to a nice little restaurant, apparently. The Ivy Asia. And I think they had some like stuff going on over here for the jubilate. I keep forgetting that I'm in London and I really shouldn't do that. Yeah, they definitely had something happening. Yeah. Wow, look at this. Hello, wow. Yes. It's like a situation. I have a lot to say. Hold on. Thank you. Cheers again. Yay. It's a video. I got my skewers. Wow, this looks fancy. Padron peppers. I forgot what else is in this skewer. Miso something.
Yeah, it's a mushroom.
Oh, some sort of mushroom. It looks good.
It's in the UK.
Alright, I got some sort of clay pot. Let's look at this. Ooh, okay. Some sort of mushroom. And then avocado, silken tofu, salad, it looks like. Okay. Oh, fancy. Fruit on top of fruit.
So here's my review of Ivy Asia. This is the one in the St. Paul's location. So obviously location is great. You get a view of St. Paul's Cathedral. So it is fantastic. It's a huge restaurant as you've seen. My personal opinion is the decor is so over the top. I'm sure some people might like it, but to me it was very tacky and it really reminded me of like Crazy Rich Asians, just so unnecessarily over the top. It really felt like a parody of what people might think Asia looks like, if that makes sense. I don't know if this is owned by Asians. I would be very surprised if it really is owned by Asians because it felt very much like what a non-Asian person would think Asia is like. Overall, we had a good time though. It was really fun to just people watch, look at everyone's different outfits. I feel like people get really dressed up to go to this place. Everyone's wearing really bright outfits and the food was not bad actually. It was okay. It wasn't life-changing. It wasn't the best thing ever, but I always go into a non-vegan restaurant with the assumption that their vegan food is going to be mediocre. So it was not bad. I got the mushroom clay pot thing, which had like truffle in it. It was pretty good, but of course they didn't add any substantial protein, which is why I got the tofu avocado salad thing on the side. The dessert I would probably skip on. It felt really cheap. Not gonna lie. And yeah, service was okay. Drinks were great. And it was a fun time.
Oh wow, it is very different. What the? Are you joking? This is not what I remember.
You guys, what happened to Madison's? I was so disappointed. So Madison's is a pretty famous and popular rooftop bar overlooking St. Paul's Cathedral. It used to be a really nice vibe. It used to be very chill. There was just a few tables outside. You can bring your drinks outside and just go look at the view. But they changed it. I guess with popularity comes crappiness. They completely changed the vibe. They warded off the Madison's area, so you have to like get in. And we had to pay, I think, a £20 cover, which was ridiculous. You sit and they play the music really loudly. They're playing like Ibiza music. It really gave me like Ibiza vibes. I'm like, dude, this is not the vibe. Imagine looking over St. Paul's Cathedral and they're playing like douche, 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 deep house or something. The drinks were also not good. It was overpriced. So what I would recommend doing, I think you can do this. You can actually go up there still and just go to the viewpoint area and not pay cover and go into Madison's because the best part is the view anyways. So yeah, don't waste your money. Good morning. Today I am spending a rainy day in London. I'm gonna head to a coffee shop, get a little bit of work done. I don't want to work a lot today, but I have some stuff to do. I might need to check some emails and just make sure that, you know, not everything is falling apart. And then just eat and see where the day takes me. Yay! Also, there's a tube strike going on today, so that's the big issue. I can't really venture too far. Well, I probably could, but I'd have to figure out how to get there via like bus or via some sort of longer way. So I'm gonna kind of stay in this area, but it's a nice area. Anyway, I got the artichoke something something starter. Should we go see platform 9 3/4? No. And if you're wondering, yes, I have gone to see platform 9 3/4 when I first moved here. I have not been back since. Smells like pee. I'm not gonna lie, I find museums a little boring. I've been here a few times. This one is quite overwhelming because it's so big. I mainly like it because of this main area. I think it's just beautiful. I can appreciate the architectural design inside the museum, like the actual stuff. I don't know. Anyone else? I do like the mummies. The mummies are nice. But it's free here, guys, so any of you can come in if you make it to London. Problem with this museum is that it's just so big that you don't even really know where to start. It's very overwhelming, but it's free, so you can always come back if you live here. Guys, the sun is shining. This means I'm leaving. I'm going outside. Okay, so I spent a good 10 minutes? Probably not even. I think it was 5 minutes. It is more rare to see the sun shining in London, so I'm just gonna go outside. That was lovely. Sun. I'm near my old workplace. I somehow found my way without checking the map, so that means I still remember. My memory isn't horrible. This was my old gym, and there's a pool in there, you guys. There's an outdoor pool in that gym. I never really used it. Anyway. Wow, the memories.
can always tell who lives in London and who doesn't just by how easily they can cross the road. Always the tourists, they seem to struggle. And when I lived here, I got the hang of it, but now I'm a tourist again. So I also don't know how to cross the road. Okay, I am very close to the place I used to work in. So right now we are near Covent Garden. Oh. Covent Garden is not looking pretty. We're at Pizzeria Pappagone. Yes, we can day drink. I wonder how the weather is.
Really hot. I look good today.
Party time! Wow, let's see. Oh, okay, okay. I'm just excited to go.